very good morning to all of you. So, let's start with the session of class 2 with the chapter Solutions. I forwarded the notes to everyone. So, I'm just explaining all these notes in brief. Though the first content of solutions is based entirely on the mole concept which you have read in class plus 1. So, what do we mean by the word solutions? So, if we want to define solutions, solutions means a homogeneous mixture of two non-reacting substances. Solutions is nothing new. We have read a lot about solutions. For example, you must have read about alloys. Alloys, that brass is a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. You must have read that bronze is a homogeneous mixture of copper and tin, and many more. Similarly, what is the importance of reading this chapter that I would like to tell you? For example, let us talk about fluoride ion concentration. It is a beautiful example which tells us the importance of the chapter. Fluoride ion concentration, if fluoride ion concentration is 1 part per million, then it prevents tooth decay. Right? If the same fluoride ion concentration is 1.5 parts per million, then the tooth gets mottled. You can see brown teeth, many people having brown teeth because they stay in areas where concentration of fluoride ion is more in water, right? And if it is even more, it acts as rat poison. You know, rat poison, sodium fluoride is a rat poison. So, this is the importance of concentration in our lives. So what have we read up till now? That solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two non-reacting substances. If we read solutions, definitely we are going to read about concentration, and this is the example of importance of concentration. Now what does solution consist of? Solution consists of two things, solute and solvent. Two components. So what is solute? The component which is less in amount is called solute, and the component which is more in amount is known as solvent. So this is all about a premier thing about solutions. Now let us see how many type of solutions do we have. Types of solutions. So there are three major types of solutions. First is gaseous solution. Second is liquid solutions. Third is solid solutions. Right? Gaseous solutions are further divided into three types. Gases in gases, liquid in gases, and solid in gases. Means here the gas is behaving as a solvent, and this gas is behaving as a solute. Here liquid is behaving as a solute, and this solid is behaving as a solute. And these are, or in all the three cases, the solvent is a gas, right? So now liquid solutions, they are again of three types: gas and liquid, liquid and liquid, and solid in liquid, right? Similarly, solid solutions will be of three types: gas and solid, solid and solid, and liquid in solid. So let us go for the examples. What is the example of gas and gas? It is oxygen and nitrogen present in air. What is the example of liquid in gas? It is chloroform present in nitrogen gas. What is the example of solid in gas? It is camphor particles present in nitrogen. Right? These examples are very important. Many times these examples are asked as a one-marker question in the board exam. Is it okay? So now the next is gas and liquid. This example is oxygen dissolved in water, which is the most important thing for the aquatic animals to survive. Oxygen dissolved in water. Or you can also take the example of carbon dioxide in aerated drinks. Is it clear? Again, the example is very important. Then comes liquid and liquid. The example is ethanol in water. Then comes the examples of solid and liquid. This is if you dissolve sugar or glucose in water. Gas and solid. When we did hydrogenation of ethane in class +1, so we took hydrogen, we took palladium as a catalyst, and hydrogen was getting absorbed on palladium. So the gas and solid is hydrogen on palladium. Then the next is solid in solid. All the alloys are the examples of solid in solid. For example, brass, bronze, etc. Liquid in solid is mercury in sodium. So you've got a rough idea that sometimes what do we think? We think that solutions means either solid is dissolved in liquid or it is liquid dissolved in liquid. But solution means what? Solution means many things. It can be a gaseous solution, it can be a liquid solution, it can be a solid solution. So a number of the types which we have done today should be kept in mind, because any one out of them can come as a one-marker question in board. So now let us come to the next topic, that is concentration of solutions. So what are the ways in which we can express the concentration of solutions? We have done a number of ways in chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry, that is mole concept, if you remember. So ways of expressing concentration. What do we mean by concentration? By talking about concentration, we mean the amount of solute which is dissolved in the solvent to make a solution. So the first was mass percentage. The second was volume percentage. The third was parts per million. The fourth was mole fraction. The fifth was molarity, and the sixth was molarity. So these formulas again are very important in +2 also. So what are the formulas? Mass percentage will be mass of solute upon mass of solute plus solvent, that is mass of solution into 100. Is it okay? Then volume percentage, volume of solute upon volume of solution. What does volume of solution mean? Volume of solute plus solvent into 100. Parts per million, parts of a particular solute. We use this to measure the trace quantities. Parts of solute upon all the parts of solution into 10 raised to power 6. So this gives us parts per million. Mole fraction, it is denoted by X and it is equal to number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Molarity is denoted by capital M and is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Is it clear? Then next is molality. Molality is given by small m. It is number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. I have already forwarded you all this in the written notes, in the written material. Now in this class we are going to discuss a few examples based on this, a few examples out of the assignments which I have given you. So if you have any doubt, first of all you can ask, otherwise we will be doing the assignments in the next video.